Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel and welcome to day 4 of my 13 days of Halloween crafting series. So for today, I have to admit I did not plan out this video, but for today's video we are going to make a not so scary Halloween card. Just a really cute Halloween card with the Say Cheese Halloween collection. Now this is the things that I have left over from this collection, because we did use this collection when we did the Traveler's Notebook. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. We have the whole sheet of the cardstock stickers, the chipboard stickers, and also the little ephemera packs. So I just want to make a really cutesy card with you guys using this collection. So the first thing that I'm gonna do is take this heavyweight cardstock, and this is the Paper Studio, the 110-pound heavyweight cardstock, and I'm just gonna cut a card base. And for my base, I want my card to be 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. So I'm just going to move some stuff out of the way here, and I'm going to go ahead and cut my card. And I think I want to have this one as a top folding card. So I'm going to take my cardstock here, and I'm just going to put it at 4 1/4 here. Alright, and cut that right in half. Alright, so next I'm just going to take my scoreboard. Here, and on the long side here I am going to just score right in the middle, which would be 5 1/2. Right here, and that's going to give us our top folding card base. Next, I'm going to pick a pattern paper from the collection, and I'm going to go through the scraps that I have first, the larger scraps, to see what I can use. Alright. So I can definitely use these two. Yeah, probably the stripes. I like the stripes. Well, I like this too. I'm gonna go with the stripes. And I want to mat this on some glitter cardstock. I want it to be pretty and colorful. No gold this time. I think I like this pretty. I like this pretty blue. We'll try this. Alright, so I'm going to cut a mat for my card base here. So it's 4 1/4 by 5 1/2, so I'm going to cut it at 4 1/8 by 5 3/8. Alright, and that's going to mat right on the front of my little card here. And then I'm going to take the designer paper here, and I'm going to cut that down at 4 by 4 3/4. Okay, and that's gonna mat. Oh, did I do that wrong? I sure did. Let's see. Supposed to be. Oh, okay, I got it. It was supposed to be 5 1/2. There we go. There we go. There we go. I got it now. So I just want a little bit of the border of the glitter cardstock sticking out from under there. So I just want to have it just like that, with just 1/8 of an inch border. Sometimes it's, yeah. I'm just gonna cut another little slither. It's just not enough for me, so I'm gonna do it just like that. Yeah, that's better. That is better. Okay. Alright, and then next I want to use this banner die right here, and I want to use this leftover piece of white cardstock, and I am going to cut this banner. Cut this banner out real quick. Alright, so I have my banner cut out. It's time for me to get some more cutting plates. Mine are so messed up. I've used them so much. Alright, so I have my little banner here. Alright. And this banner, I am going to pop this banner up on dimensionals. Yeah. So let me go ahead, and I think I want to add some ribbon. And I'm going to go back to my seam binding ribbon since it is a purple color there, and I am going to do that. So I'm going to go ahead and use my liquid adhesive to get my panels glued down. Okay. I'm just going to glue this right down on top of the glitter piece. And just make sure that's well adhered. I'm just going to take my ribbon here. Going to cut off a little piece, and I'm sure I'm probably cutting too much of this, but hey. I'm just not that good at tying bows, so that is the reason. So I'm just going to add a little bit of adhesive right where I want my bow, right across here. And I'm just going to add my ribbon right across there. Just gonna bring it around because I want to tie a bow, a side bow here. Okay. All right, and I can use this to go ahead and adhere this piece down. Okay. Look how much ribbon I waste. But I could still use the rest of this once I cut it off. I'm just so wasteful when it comes to that. Because I'm not good at tying bows. I don't know if anybody else has that problem, but I do. Alrighty. So I got my little side ribbon here. This would actually look better a little bit more on the center of the card, which I might be able to do that. Split over to the center a little bit. Not to the center, but off to the side, I should say. Yeah, like this. Yeah, that's much better. Like that. Okay, so our little banner, I think I'm underestimated. That was the reason why I had it to the side. Let's see. I think we're gonna have to go right back how I had it before. It's okay, trial and error. Alright, so I'm gonna use some dimensionals to pop this up on here. Pulling off the backing here. Alright. Now we can stick this down and then we can tie our ribbon where we want it. So now I can come over to the side here. Tie my ribbon right where I want it. Right there. Very good, very good. Okay, I'm just going to try to clean up this, cut it a little bit better. Alright, so that is what we have so far. Next, I'm going to go back to my cute little chipboard or my little sticker page here. And I definitely want to use this Happy Halloween sentiment. And I'm just going to pop this right down here in the center, right there. And then I want to use some of the little characters from my ephemera pack, maybe one of them, to add. This little guy is cute. He says, "Boo to you." Let's see. Oh, here goes a little trick-or-treater. I think I like this little trick-or-treater. And this little trick-or-treater can get popped up. Let's see. This little girl is cute, but her balloon is gonna cover up my... Here's another little cute little girl. Let's see. I think I'm gonna go with the little... I think I'm going to go with the little ghost, and I'm going to pop them up with foam dimensionals. And I'm sorry about the mess here. It looks a mess on my desk here. This is just a very small area to work on that I have here. So I'm just pulling the backing off of my little character. Okay, and I'm going to stick my little character right in the center here. Very cute. Alright, so this made a really cute, I'm going to say fast, even though we're already maybe 16 minutes in, but that's just because I really didn't plan this out. So next I want to add a little something more, and I think I want to add some sequin mix. So I am first just going to put a few dabs of glue, and I use my little jewel picker here. I don't know if it'll pick up these. Let's see. Yeah. And just drop that down. It doesn't really want to let it go. So I'm just going to put different colors. It would have been nice to have that blue color. It's more like a green though. I'm gonna go with a black. There we go. Just to jazz it up a little bit. Some little sequin. And I feel like something is missing from that corner. So I'm gonna put one here and one there. Okay, so we'll go with a smaller one here and go with another purple. Okay, so I was actually looking for my other jewel picker. I like this one, but I'm so used to using my other one. Alright, you guys, so this is the card. Just a really cute little card. Great to give to a kid. And it's definitely a not so scary Halloween card. So just a great way to use up some of the bits from your collections that you have, the stickers, the little ephemera pieces. So this is definitely not scary, and it's very cute. So anyway, guys, that is it for this video. I hope you liked it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, please click the link below to subscribe if you would like to see more content from me. And don't forget to click that notification bell, then you'll know whenever I post another upload. So that is it, and I will see you guys for day 5. Bye.